Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to create After Effects like coloring in Capcut. So let's get started. First we are going to be creating a new project or opening a previous one, and then we are going to be selecting a video. Now we are going to be creating an adjustment layer. So as you can see, we have this adjustment layer option on the top. We're going to be clicking on that and just drag and drop it onto your video. Once you do that, adjust it so it matches its length, and once it does, you can see we are going to be applying some coloring. So as you can see, we have this adjustment option in here and we have multiple options to choose from in here. So first we're going to be applying some saturation. So as you can see, we have saturation in here. We're going to be increasing that. We're going to be decreasing the temperature a bit, and then we're going to be increasing some brightness. So you can just check out what suits you the best and just apply it onto your video, and you can see it is already starting to look much better. We're going to be applying some highlights as well, so you can totally color grade your video in here. And once you're done, you can apply some sharpening and head over to HSL, and you can do some adjustment from here as well. And finally, for the curve, you're going to be making an S curve. So pull this up a little bit from the top, and from below you're going to be making it down. So as you can see, if I turn off my adjustment layer, it is really faded and it looks really nice. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.